it going, guys? My name is Kyle from Zen's Tea House, and I'm going to show you today how I like to make my golden milk my way. Pretty quick and easy. I'm going to use one of our eco vessels that we sell at our shop or at the farmers markets. So the first things first, what you want to do is fill up your eco vessel halfway so you get enough shaking room. Once it's halfway filled, we're going to put in our golden milk powder. This is 32 ounces, so we need 4 teaspoons since our recommendation is 1 teaspoon per every 8 ounces. Let's take 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once that's done, we're gonna close it up and make sure you shake it really well. Give it a good shake. Once that's done, you can check your golden milk. See halfway if it's well shooken up. You're going to want to fill up the rest of your almond milk. Once that's done, you're going to want to give it one more shake. After that, you should be set. What you could do is you could drink out of your eco vessel, or you could transfer it into a cup. In this case, I'm going to show you guys how well it mixes. This is what golden milk is supposed to look like. And that's in yellow. And if you put too much golden milk, or if it's too orange, or if it tastes too strong, what you're gonna wanna do is put a little bit more milk. That milk to powder ratio is really important once you're making your golden milk. Golden milk is a really strong substance. It's good for a lot of things. It's good for inflammation, joint pains, arthritis, diabetics. And you can purchase it online at our website right now. You can use my promo code KYLEZEN, KYLEZEN, and you can get yourself some golden. Thank you, goodbye.